Hey, my chickadees. Okay, we have the Margaret Miller week 28. And I gotta stretch my arm down. I don't have my glasses. We have a texture or a pattern found in clothing, something associated with relaxation, a repeating pattern, a positive affirmation, an image of landscape or scenery, and a bonus is a security envelope design. Okay, this is my security envelope design and my repeated pattern. And my affirmation is one of a kind. And a texture found in clothing is my little doilies here with my crochet edging. Relaxation is essential oils made up here for a nice bath. My scenery is here, and that's it. That is our week 28. Really simple, but pretty. Thank y'all. Have a good week. Bye.